This dish that I'm making is ideal for a healthy lunch, jacket potatoes with lamb chops. So we're going to begin. We've made an incision into the potatoes, each of them, okay, and we're now going to just sprinkle a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. Then we're going to wrap them up. So the incision is to help release the moisture, and the salt draws out the moisture but keeps the potatoes lovely and fluffy. So we're preheating the oven at 200, and we're now going to set our potatoes in, set the timer for about 45 minutes, sometimes possibly an hour and 10, it depends the size of the potatoes. And we'll check on it from time to time, see how it's doing. We're going to finish it off with a knob of unsalted butter, a bit of black pepper, and yeah, take it from there. So we've taken the jacket potatoes out of the oven and we've had a little check. It's looking good. The moisture has depleted. It's nice and fluffy on the inside. We're going to finish it off with a bit of ground black pepper and a knob of unsalted butter in each. So here's a lovely, generous portion in there, and then a little less generous in this one because it's a smaller potato than the other. So that's what we'll do, and we'll go ahead and wrap it back up and just place it on the bottom shelf of the oven for a little while longer whilst we get the lamb chops on the way. Here are our lamb chops, and I believe it's spring lamb because the chops are pretty small in size. However, spring lamb is most succulent. So what we've gone and done to season it is all-purpose, fine black pepper, a little bit of coarse black pepper, some fresh thyme. We are not doing minted lamb chops, okay? And we're going to place it on the baking tray, on this preheated roasting tray. So I've placed them nicely on the tray, spacious, okay? We're going to add a little bit of chili flakes over each for some slight to moderate heat, which is why I'm not using the Scotch bonnet pepper. We're now going to place them in the oven, which has already been heated for a while because the jacket potato went in before the lamb chops are going to go in. And we're going to finish it off with maple carrots, roasted maple carrots. So as you can see, what we've gone and done is slice the carrots. We've sliced it in a medium-sized portion, and we've also sliced a quarter of an orange, and in the tub is the maple syrup. So we're going to transfer it into the baking dish and assemble. I've placed the carrots in a dish lined with foil. I'm going to squeeze the juice of a quarter orange As some of you may know, orange complements the flavour of carrot very well. We're now going to put a pinch of thyme, dry thyme, because I haven't got rosemary, but the ideal spice, the ideal herb, sorry, for this particular dish is rosemary, fresh rosemary. We drizzled a little bit of the maple, and it's going to infuse with the orange whilst it's cooking. So we don't want to overpower the flavour. We're going to get it cooking and it's going to start bubbling and infusing with the orange, and then we can test the sweetness. Not too sweet, shall we say, just perfect. Jacket potato, rustic mash, maple carrots, spring lamb chops.